back to the energy investigation. We are starting with part 4, equipment and appliances in our school, with the classroom equipment and appliance sheet. That's on page 34 of our notebook. We will also be needing an energy usage meter. I just ordered this on Amazon. I have them available if you need to borrow one. I also wanted to point out that one of the questions on the table is how many of these devices have an Energy Star label. So this is what an Energy Star label looks like. Just because it has an energy guide doesn't mean that it is certified by Energy Star. So be careful when you're looking at those appliances. So I'm just using that energy usage meter to plug into the wall and then plug any item I want to test into that meter. It's actually going to show me how many kilowatts per hour that particular object is using. So as you can see, I'm unplugging a bunch of things from a power strip. There was a computer, a projector, and I believe our iPad charge cart. And I'm recording how much energy all of those are using. You're also going to make note of whether that unit is off or on. So if is the computer off, is the computer on, is it in sleep mode? We want to see how much energy it's using when it's off versus how much energy it's using when it's on. Because some objects actually use energy if they're plugged in, even if they are off. Then with all of those numbers, we are going to calculate the expense that we think that object is costing us for being left plugged in, or maybe being left on when it's not in use. Now for that page 37, which is the school-wide equipment and appliance investigation page. This will include any objects that are in common areas or elsewhere. For me, I use the example of our kitchen space. So I checked both the coffee pots that were there, the microwave, and there was even a toaster there. And lastly, just so you can see, I actually compared how much energy the microwave was pulling from just being plugged in, and then I actually turned it on for like 30 seconds to see how much more energy that appliance was pulling while it was running. Lastly, you'll see a question tally and a school-wide survey, and it's just going to ask questions like, do the computers in the room have a sleep mode that allows them to conserve energy? Are computers turned off when not in use? Things like that. I wanted to mention that because as you make comments and notes, as you do your classroom investigations, you may be able to just go ahead and use that information on this survey.